No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and
You're about to see Santa Claus. You ready? Where's he at? You ready?
You could have set him in that chair too.
Zane, you ready?
that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Do you like it, Noah?
We haven't even talked to the camera all day. All right, y'all. We had fun at that little Christmas thing for church. Now we came over to Kohl so we can see if we can get a couple of things for Christmas, or maybe like a couple gift cards. I don't know. But Noah is in love with this Mickey Mouse that you guys just saw. We're trying to get him to come back, but he's just being a goofy baby right now. So yeah, that's all we're doing right now. Just chilling, about to go home, get something to eat. Oh, it's past 10 o'clock at night and I just took Winnie outside and I didn't realize it was 10 o'clock. So when I went outside, the security system went off and then Noah was like crying, being super clingy in my way. So I couldn't like push him out the way. So my alarm system alerted the police that we had like a break-in situation, and I clicked that we were fine. It was just a false alarm, but I hope that they canceled it. So if the police come to my house tonight, that is exactly why. But yeah, I clicked. It still looks okay. I was gonna say it looked weird. It was gray. I'm praying that nobody comes to the house. Oh my gosh. I don't see anybody. But anyway, I don't think anybody's gonna come. But if they do, y'all gonna know. Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. What are you doing? I have not been good on recording anything for Vlogmas this year. Like, this year has been a lot. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I haven't even decorated for Christmas and it is the 13th. Well, I have decorated, just haven't finished decorating. So I usually take down Christmas decorations on Christmas Day, but with the way that we're going, I'm not about to do all this work and then have them up for 2 weeks. So not even 2 weeks. So we're probably gonna have our decorations up for a while. Anyway, it is Saturday. Today is just gonna be a chill video. I really just need to catch up. Life has like swept the rug up under me like recently, and I just feel like I haven't done anything that I'm supposed to be doing. So I literally haven't done grocery shopping, and then I haven't washed dishes in a couple days. Not that we have like a whole bunch of dishes piled up. We've been doing takeout, eating off of paper plates. Like, life has been crazy. And y'all know that is not me. I be cooking, I be cleaning. So I don't know. But today is gonna be a reset day, just a nice chill vlog at home. The kids are in the playroom. It is torn up. I wanna get in there and try to clean and organize it today, especially because Christmas is coming up. Because I'm not throwing more toys on top of that. Anyway, so I ordered some groceries. I actually did a Sam's Club order and an Instacart order. The Instacart order should be here maybe on like the next hour. And then my Sam's Club order should be here. Okay, Instacart is not coming for 2 hours. And then my Sam's Club order should be here like in the next hour. So I am getting ready for the groceries. My kitchen island is a mess, so I'm gonna go downstairs and try to clean it up. Actually, you know, what time is it on? Okay, my Sam's Club order might be here. Hopefully it's not, because it is not ready for the food yet. I need to do a restock The kids are gonna be out of school, so I ordered like a bunch of junk food for them. Anyway, y'all gonna see. I'm gonna stop talking. Good morning. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you are new to the fam, welcome. We are trying to do Vlogmas. I'm not even gonna say trying. We are doing Vlogmas. If I miss a couple days, whatever. Oh my gosh, what do you guys have over here?
We have toys.
Toys? Let me see. Ooh, good morning, Noah.
But they dragged this down.
He did?
Yeah.
Okay, so the food is here. Not sure when it came, but it's outside. Y'all see it?
He broke the decal.
So, about to try to get these groceries in the house. Doesn't look like a lot of food. Oh, also, I did not tell you guys. We're supposed, hey, get out of those curtains now. We're supposed to have a blizzard today. So I'm supposed to be getting the house ready for a blizzard and I just don't feel like it. And because it's a blizzard, I'm not going anywhere. So I just need to clean my house today, do laundry, do all the things. Might even wash Zane's hair. But anyway, I'm gonna put Winnie up, make sure she doesn't run outside while I'm doing these groceries. Front door. I really feel like it doesn't look like that much, so I wonder if they were able to give me everything that I asked for. Hopefully. I don't know. We'll see. Good morning. Literally turn around for 2 seconds and then this little boy has opened the Babybel cheese. Let me see, you got it open? You want some cheese?
Cheese.
Okay, let's get you some cheese. I'm gonna put that diaper up on the floor.
Okay.
Let's open your cheese. Let's see. Here.
Open.
You gotta pull this little string to open it. Yep. We can't have any food because I'll tear it up right when it comes to the door. Here. There you go. Ooh. You gonna take a bite? Can mommy have a bite? Thank you. Okay, so now that I have the groceries in the house, I'm gonna do a quick little Sam's Club haul with y'all because this has been crazy. Y'all see this box of fruit snacks? Oh my gosh. This is kind of big. Oh, I should not have said that out loud. Now I gotta get everybody fruit snacks. But yeah, I was reading the ingredient list for the Sam's Club fruit snacks. And they just literally use fruit and vegetable juice. And I am down for that. And obviously they use sugar. Yeah. And starch and apple puree, citric acid, natural flavors, vitamin C. Yeah, so there's just so many good things in here, and we're not good things, just better things. So yeah, so I got the holiday fruit snacks and it is limited time at Sam's Club. They literally have 100. Look how big this box is. Like, it's bigger than my head. It's bigger than, almost bigger than my toys. Yeah, this box is huge. So I'm just gonna give the kids some snacks. My hands are so ashy. I need to put some Aquaphor on my hands. I think the cold weather makes my eczema even worse. Yes, give me a second. Yeah, so I think the cold weather makes my eczema even worse because I've noticed, like, even like after washing the dishes or washing my hands, like they just feel like in between here, I just feel a nice flare up coming on. So I'm like, nope, let's put Aquaphor on to combat that. And yeah, this definitely works for me, and it seals in moisture. I should probably like re-wet my hands to like seal it in, but I have to wash my hands again after feeling like that. So gosh, this box is so hard to open. Why is this box so hard to open? Oh my gosh. Maybe because I just put the aquifer on my fingers? But no, it's like stuck. Okay, here we go. Alright, fruit snacks. Gaby. Noah, fruit snack. Let me try these, see what these are about. This is the Christmas tree. Y'all see that?
No.
I can't see that. It's focusing on my face. Anyway. Okay, I like these. It reminds me of the White Castle fruit snacks when we were kids. How they have I don't know if they still do it, but they have like fruit snacks in the pack. Yeah, they're pretty good. Hey, puppy. Fruit snack. Alright, so quick haul. Got some apples because our kids are obsessed with apples. I honestly should have got two packs of apples. Next time, I'm definitely gonna have to like double up on apples. I got some strawberries. I haven't been getting their strawberries because they have been so expensive, but literally this is Noah's like favorite thing in the world. So I was like, let me get my baby some strawberries for like breakfast and snacks and stuff like that. These were $10. $10, y'all. And these Driscoll ones. These are literally the sweetest strawberries. Like, they are so good. Like, I don't know what about these strawberries, but they're so like fresh and sweet and just so good. So I guess it was worth it. I got us a gallon of milk. We've been eating some milk. And then I have some cranberry juice for me. I think I'm probably the only one that's gonna drink these. But I haven't had cranberry juice in a very long time. And I actually love it. And I love to mix it like with other juices. So yeah, love it, love it, love it. And I like to freeze it and like eat it as like a slushie. Got some laundry detergent. Need that. About to use that right now. Applesauce. We have some more Sunny D. So yeah, just a little snacks because like I said, the kids are going to be out of school for the next few weeks. And then we have some toilet paper. Definitely been needing some toilet paper, you guys. Definitely. And over here, y'all, look how dirty they're going to eat with these bananas. Look, okay, so this is green from Zane's like little school picture. He's so handsome. Y'all, why is it the same shade of green? We ain't going to be able to eat these bananas till next year. And then I have some oranges. And then I got some of that baby goat cheese that you guys saw Noah eating. And then we got some orange chicken. Y'all, our kids love this stuff. It's so easy. Like literally on nights where we don't want to do too much, we just pop this in the air fryer with some rice. Bro, so easy. Got those fruit snacks. I did get some more chicken thighs, some boneless ones. I just have not been wanting to cut the bone off. It is way more expensive. Like it's like 3 times expensive. But got some more chicken thighs. And then I got some cheese. I did not know that I had got this, y'all. But I do need cheese. But this was like $10. Oh my gosh. We got some breakfast sausages. The boys some pizzas. I got some Pringles for chips for this, like for the next couple of weeks. I did get some more stuff from Kroger. I just got like some eggs, some Hot Pockets, some pancake mix because we ran out of pancake mix. I need to put some aqua on my lips now. Oh my gosh, where's my aqua? Yeah, I literally have like 4 of these just like anywhere. So I know I have one in my purse. This was the one in my purse. I have one in my car, one upstairs in my room, one in my office, and then at work I have a couple of them. So yeah, I just keep this. Yeah, because the winter is harsh on my skin. It is harsh. So, but I'm about to put these groceries up. I can't remember what I got from Kroger, but I know for sure that it was like mainly like snack items. Oh, I got like some chicken fries. Y'all see it when I get it. But about to put these groceries up. It really doesn't seem like that much, but I feel like they might have left some stuff off. I'm gonna see, because if they leave me off, I gotta make sure they refund me the right amount of money. So let me check that right now, and then I'm gonna put up these groceries. So yeah, a little montage. Dooders.
Ma?
What are you doing?
Bye.
Oh, you're trying to get fruit snacks. Oh. Look at him, y'all. Oh my gosh. Noah, this boy is so adventurous. Oh my gosh. And then the foot behind the... Oh my gosh. Didn't mommy give you some fruit snacks? Let me see. Here. I know this one is yours. Here. So we've been using our refrigerator to like do like math, and we were solving for power of 3, and we came out to 1 billion. And then like Zane was asking me what comes after 999, and I was like, okay. I was like, are you saying 909 or 910, 990? So like, yeah, so we've been just using our refrigerator. So I'm about to clean this refrigerator off to give me like a clean slate. Groceries have been delivered. I'm gonna go ahead and grab those. Oh my gosh, it's snowing. Oh no, the snow started. Y'all, we're supposed to get a blizzard, and this must be like the first of it. I was gonna try to grab these groceries, but I don't have my shoes on. Oh my gosh. Woody, you ready to go outside? Mommy is gonna take you outside. I am. But let me bring the groceries in, okay? Okay. Mommy's gonna get the groceries. I didn't realize that it was gonna snow this early. It said it was gonna snow at 1 o'clock. I think it's like 11 something right now. Got the groceries. Y'all, got my ring light out because I am filming a reel. Y'all, make sure y'all go give me love on that reel, okay? I just these are the groceries, like the little snacks and like fillers and stuff that I needed. I got some more bao buns because we definitely need those. And I got a bunch of cream of chicken, cream of mushroom soup because I want to make smothered chicken drums today. And then what time is it? I should be able to make it. I got a bunch of Hot Pockets. The kids love Hot Pockets. Super easy. And then I got some chicken fries. I don't know how they're gonna stop. I don't know how they're gonna do with these chicken fries, but hopefully I like them. I got myself some White Castle sandwiches. I have been craving White Castle sandwiches, so I'm actually gonna warm me some up right now. And then I have my eggs right here. So I'm gonna do probably, I don't know if I'm gonna do a restock. And then I just have some mixed vegetables because I want to do chicken and dumplings. And then I got the biscuits. Hold on. I ordered 2 of these, but I only see 1. Okay. I ordered some biscuits for my chicken dumpling. So yeah, it's like pretty much like chicken pot pie, but you put biscuits inside instead of on top. So that's what I got. And then I'm actually gonna clean my fridge. I'm not gonna put it on the vlog just because I feel like that's like doing way too much. I am gonna do like a reel about it. So TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back. Here's my sweet boy. He's so sleepy. Cody is home. Babe, you gotta come tell them about the blizzard that you drove in.
Oh man.
Does the picture look like weird or no?
I don't know. The blizzard?
Yeah.
Oh, it was bad. I'm not driving in that stuff no more. It was ridiculous. I can't.
You might need to move to Arizona.
I know. I might have to move because that's doing too much. It was already pretty bad, and then other people on the road can't drive. But mean, I thank God he blessed me with a good driving talent. So I was fine. There was a car that swerved in front of me.
Right in front of him.
Like, probably like 2 cars in front of me. They were trying to like turn and get into my lane, and then they spun out, almost hit the wall, and then almost hit me. But I made it home safe and sound. I gave one to Noah. But I'm home. Been home for almost an hour, 2 hours really. But it looks like we are about to.
Yay! My candy. Let's see the flavor. The pink one. The pink one is. The pink one is action.
You guys, we're supposed to have like a little Christmas movie night tonight. But everybody just went crazy when they saw the camera. I mean, with the candy. Wait a minute. And then we got the popcorn. Yay! Noah. So Cody's about to.
But this is.
It's 5. We just have an extra one, I guess. Maybe the one that we would probably like the least we could put in there. So there's caramel, sea salt, snickerdoodle, hot honey,
Hot honey.
white cheddar, holiday kettle. This is popcorn, but maybe that's what it's saying it is. Oh, I see.
Where the scissors at?
In the drawer right in front of the.
Oh. They put a zip tie on that mug.
They put a zip tie on it?
Or,
It's cute. I'm probably going to use it for somebody's Christmas present. Ooh. How much was this, babe?
Good.
I don't know.
The blanket off the door.
Ooh.
We got white cheddar. White cheddar is basic, so we don't have to put that one in there.
Okay.
Yeah. The hot honey. Ooh, that looks good.
Okay, we can do that one.
Yeah, what is this? Snickerdoodle. That's just caramel.
I wonder if it tastes like a snickerdoodle for real.
Oh.
Oh.
There go
So
caramel.
funny. Oh, dang, it's heavy. Dang.
Nice.
What is that?
This holiday kettle. This ain't nothing but.
Oh,
This ain't nothing but colorful caramel.
I love. No, it's not. Oh my. Not everything.
Look, caramel.
Not everything is caramel, babe.
Caramel. This is caramel. Watch. Contains bioengineered food ingredients.
Oh my gosh, don't read it because I'm not going to want to eat it, babe.
Molasses. God. Got the molasses in it. Non-GMO.
I was going to use this white tray for the popcorn, but I have this
So
one.
we're just going to put these four. Yeah, because white cheddar, I'm sorry, you basic.
Yeah, basic. All right.
So
You
there's,
want to test some popcorn?
there's caramel.
And did I show you guys? I don't even think I showed you guys the refrigerator. I cleaned it out. Finished cleaning it. It was a mess, babe. So I'm about to get their drinks. I'm just gonna get my peach chow. And then I'll give the kids maybe, probably just grab some of these for them. But yeah, I cleaned out the refrigerator, you guys. It looks so good. So everything is organized except for this drawer. So this right here, I didn't have energy to get to it. And I usually have like snacks and stuff in there. But I had like cheese in there. So it has become like a cheese drawer, which is not gonna be. I feel like I wanna get like a basket or something for cheese and put it in the actual refrigerator. So we'll see. Oh, and I'm gonna cut some strawberries up for Noah because he loves strawberries. So give my baby his strawberries. Snap, the kids got the blankets out. Zane, you guys did this?
Yeah, I did it all
I'm
by
trying
myself.
this. Okay, thank you.
Mommy, please write down a bit candy.
Ooh. Okay, what movie? Winnie, what you doing over here?
It's Home Alone number 4.
Okay.
But we didn't see number 3.
When you
Down number 1.
The kids had to get their covers and pillows
Can't forget about
for the movie party. Zane, baby, go
okay.
get your pillows and stuff.
My lucky Rubik's Cube always in my bed.
All right, come on.
Hit that.
That's what you bringing?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. That's what you bringing?
No.
Okay, you go put it in the pillowcase. I see you smart. You smart. Perfect timing that our old comforter set was just washed. So I'm gonna bring this down for me and Cody. Noah is downstairs. Actually, he's about to come up here. He's crying about not having candy. So we're about to all go downstairs and watch our movie. Ooh, it's still nice and warm. Y'all, he's tired too. Right, we got everything. Now ready to chill. Oh, y'all see this new blanket that Cody bought?
Yeah, guys.
It's so cute. It's so comfy. So this is our current situation. We're all chilling. They just want to eat candy. I think movie night means I get to eat candy.
Look at Noah.
Come on.
Come here, Noah. It's over here.
Did you get his fruits? No, his gummies are still up there.
Oh.
Come here, my baby. My sweet boy. My sweet boy.
Go get Noah's.
Can I try the colorful popcorn?
Come on. Come on.
No, I'm
They
trying
purchased
the colorful.
M&Ms. I actually already ate my movie snacks.
Hey, you
Zane,
got
what
wait.
do you have? Let's see.
Hey, mine. Mr. B.
Okay, let me see.
It got 90
Sour.
calories.
Okay.
That's what I have.
Let me see what do you have.
Diddy.
Ooh, nerds. And this is Noah's candy.
I'm a gummy.
Noah.
Mommy.
You want your gummy bears?
Mommy.
No, he wants his brother's nerds.
No.
Alright, we're about to watch Polar. Alright, we're about to watch Polar Express.
Popcorn.
Everybody's about to taste test the popcorn.
I want to taste the colorful.
Okay, taste it. That's kettle corn.
I want the regular.
Okay.
Can you eat that?
Yes. Let's
You're
be
welcome.
careful though.
That's hot honey, Zane. The one you just got.
Spicy? Is it hot? Zane can take anything hot. Ooh. Is it yummy?
This got 100 calories. This is bad.
What'd you taste, babe?
Snickerdoodle.
Okay.
Daddy, this is bad too. And
Y'all, I've been in my pajamas
140
all
calories.
day long. Oh.
Bro, you're not about to lick it and then put it back.
The kettle corn is good. Hot honey. That one's really good.
Is it? I tasted it.
Did you give that to daddy because it's too hot? Oh, because you need to go get your own water. Okay.
I don't know. I can't really taste nothing.
Well, alright, you guys. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We pretty much I was just cleaning all day. I didn't even vlog like I wanted to, but we're about to enjoy this movie.
I'm gonna go build this. No. Daddy, I'm gonna go build